integrating the continent? How do you intend to address the trade barriers that are currently existing? And if you were elected as AU chair, what would be your legacy?
Thank you. First, yes, I'm running for the position of chair of African Union Commission. First, I've been actually tested by some of my friends, but also feel challenged having been a high representative of AU on infrastructure development. You know that the AU actually now established African continental free area trade, which basically makes it possible, necessary for Africans to trade with itself. Africa, intra-African trade, is very small. In the European trade stands at right now at 70%. Inter-Asian trade is at 50%. In South America is standing at about 30%. But intra-African trade is just about 15%. Like that. Africa trades very little with itself. People will tell you that, oh, Africans don't trade with each other because they produce all of the same things. But just yourself, European countries produce all of the same things. How come they trade with each other? That is not the reason, that is the excuse. But having been the high representative of Africa on infrastructure, I understand. One of the impediments is non-tariff barriers to trade usually imposed by respective African countries. Secondly, is lack of infrastructure between these African countries. Well, and this actually makes it difficult for the African countries to trade. I'll give you an example. Kenya, between Kenya and a country called Central African Republic, there's only one country called South Sudan, between Kenya and Central African Republic. But there's no infrastructure, there's no highway, there's no railway that connects Kenya to Central African Republic. So if you want to sell goods to Central African Republic from Kenya, you have to find a ship and go down the Cape Coast and along the West African coast to Cameroon, and then by road into Central African Republic. The French are there ahead of you. And that's why they drink tea and tea in Bangui, called English breakfast tea. So you need to have infrastructure. At the AU we're addressing the following: the inter-African highways, the Cape to Cairo. This is a project which was conceived by Cecil Rhodes at Rome, in whose honor we are sitting here today. Cecil Rhodes is the one who conceived the idea of Cape to Cairo over 100 years ago. And he said that he wanted to travel by road from Cape Town to Cairo. That was his dream. Up to today, it has not been realized. There are still gaps in between that highway from Cape to Cairo. Then there is the road from Tunis to the Cape. That was a long